How to become channel partner in real estate. Yes, in this video, I'll tell you the process of becoming a channel partner in real estate industry. I'm Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur, and I welcome you to Real Estate University, where we give you deep knowledge about various real estate topics and real estate pain points, problems related with every real estate entrepreneur. This is an entire process if you want to become a good channel partner who can earn good profit, a channel partner who can think about long-term career in the real estate industry. So what are the steps? Step number 1, find out good builders, developers or marketing agencies in your area. If suppose you are working in tier 1 city or tier 2 city or tier 3 city, you have to do a proper research related with good builders, good developers and good marketing agencies working in that area. How will you know that whether the builder you are selecting or a developer you are selecting or an agency you are selecting is a good or not? In that case, you have to simply look for their past track record. You have to look for what kind of work they have done, how many projects they have delivered, in how many projects they have given good return on investment. This is the research you have to do as a channel partner if you really want to become a successful channel partner in real estate industry. So this is step number 1 in the process of becoming a good channel partner. Because the moment you select good entrepreneur, good builder, developer or agency for working, 50% of your work is already done. Because if you are working with a good branded player in the real estate industry, or if you are working in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, at least someone who has given good results in the past. Step number 2, do proper research about the past track record of that company. If you are working with a marketing agency, builder or developer, take exact data. Take data from their website, take data from their Facebook page, take data from their employees. Go become a customer, go to their company's office, understand about their past projects. Ask that where you have launched the past project, what returns you have given. And they will give you the data only if you will become a customer. So go check out the data and then after doing a proper research, then take a decision. Because in the first case, we have already told you that you have to select good builders, developers and agencies. But if you have selected, suppose, 2 builders, 2 developers and 2 agencies, in that case, you have 6 options. Out of the 6 options, if you have to go or finalize 1 or 2, in that case, your database research plays a very important role. Third, finalize the best 2 options. Now, out of the total options you have evaluated, you have to finalize 1 or 2 options so that you can take a long-term decisions of working with them. Because as a channel partner, you are representing your face, you are representing your name in front of the client for that builder, developer or an agency. So you have to take that decision with a very deep research. So if you follow all these 3 steps, the surety of getting success in the real estate business as a channel partner increases. Now, before I'll cover point number 4, I want to say, do subscribe our channel and hit on bell icon. We don't want you to miss even important videos in real estate. Now, 4th point, select the best builder or developer or marketing agency. Now, when you have done all the steps which we have told in all 3 steps in the process of becoming a very good channel partner, now the moment you finalize 1, collect an entire data about their past track record, because now you have to represent that builder in market. You have to run ads, you have to generate leads, you have to create social media profile, you have to organically generate leads. You have to represent builders in terms of calling, site visit, closing. Now, collecting all the detailed information about that builder is very, very important as a channel partner if you really want to get success in the business of real estate. So when you select a proper builder, when you collect all the information, when you collect all the data, it becomes easy for you to give up business. Step number 5, approach them for working, sign CP form or do an agreement. Now, when you have approached them, it is very important for you to look after documentation work. If there is any format of CP form, channel partner form, fill that form, give the document like Aadhaar card, PAN card or whatever document is being required that the builder or developer or an agency. Or do an MOU, memorandum of understanding, between whatever the commission you have discussed, the incentives you have discussed, whatever the bonuses you have discussed. Write everything in a proper form or an MOU and then start working. You have already collected the data and the information in the step number 4. Now, a builder or a developer will feel happy to have you on board as a channel partner because now you have collected all the data, all the information. You are different. Your USP, your differentiation is different from the other channel partner working in the industry. And to summarize all the 4-5 points, You can only become a good channel partner with builder developer marketing agency if you upgrade yourself in terms of the skills. There are various important skills in the real estate industry: skill of lead generation, skill of calling, skill of site visit, and skill of closing. These were the 4 or 5 very important skills. So if you have upgraded yourself, if you have learned something, then the chances of working for a good builder or developer increases. And this is the entire process of becoming a good channel partner in the real estate industry. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. If you want us to make video on some other topic, do comment below. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer a national bestseller book on Flipkart and Amazon. We'll meet you in the next video.